Hi everyone, welcome to Riger Kul. Today we are diving into the velocity chart in Rally, a powerful agile tool that helps team measure their pace and understand how much work can be accomplished in a given iterations. If you wanted to level up your Rally agile skills and boost your team's productivity, stick around till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content every day. To begin with this, first of all, what is velocity chart in Rally? Velocity chart displays all accepted plan estimate units for each of the last 10 completed iterations. This chart is essential for measuring the pace at which teams get work done and productivity, how much work can be accomplished in future iterations. Now, if you wanted to learn more about Rally, feel free to refer my complete Rally playlist. I've already included the URL in descriptions, which will be easier for you to quickly jump into the Rally playlist. And if you have any questions or feedback related to this, feel free to add in the comment sections. Let's begin how we can navigate it to velocity chart. In Rally, you have to just go to the reports and from here click on velocity chart. Based on your project selections, you can directly jump into the velocity chart. And this always indicates based on the iterations and how we can read this. If you'll hover on any bar to view accepted plan, estimate units, work accepted after the iteration ended, work not accepted, and following trends. Understanding the color codes and reading this report is very much important. You can see average over last 10 iterations. How many iterations we have, you can see accordingly. In terms of color codes, wherever you'll have darkened line, it means the proposed velocity, which is the average accepted points over the last 10 iterations. Then dark green bars, total amount of accepted works delivered by the last day of the iterations based on the end of the data. Light green bars, it means you can see your total amount of accepted work delivered after the last day of the iterations. And finally, wherever we have red bars, total amount of works that was not accepted during the iterations, you can see it here. You can also see different iterations which is listed here. How many iterations you have, you can see it from this wizard. Majorly, this chart helps teams to track performance trends, improve sprint planning. If we are missing anything, we can revise it in two further sprints. Set realistic goals for upcoming iterations for the teams, and team will not get overloaded. And that's where we can call it out. This is how we can generate velocity chart of any projects depending on the iterations under Rally. So velocity chart is a game changer for agile teams looking to improve efficiency and deliver consistent value. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more agile tips and tricks under Rally. And let me know in the comments which agile tools you'd like me to cover next. Until then, happy learning. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.